Good morning everyone. Myself Someshri Das, the student of Susiravati Government Women's College, Political Science Department, UG first year. So today in our college a national seminar is organized by our department, and the topic is role of media in democracy. We all know that in today's world media plays a very important role, and we all tell media as the fourth pillar of democracy. So why we are telling that other three pillars are there also, but why we are giving more importance to media? Because other three pillars, that are legislature, executive and judiciary, playing their roles, but who told us that what they are doing in democracy, they are doing right or wrong? Yes, media told us that. Media gives all the information. Actually they work as a watchdog of the democracy. It tells about the government officials, public officials, laws, policies, about our freedom of speech, expression. All this we are knowing by media. But sometimes media also give us wrong news, like misinformation, fake news, or because of political biasness. But apart from this, media plays a very significant role in our democracy. So today in our college, Mr. Manas Kumar Behra sir from Ramadevi College was invited because of giving us some information about role of media and democracy. So how much we know, we will get more information from him. Thank you.